Welcome to Car Reviews Updates. Today we have something that will completely change the way you see the Suzuki Swift. You've always known the Swift as a budget-friendly compact hatchback, but what if Suzuki transformed it into a high-performance supercar? Imagine a Swift that looks like a Lamborghini or McLaren featuring cutting-edge design, futuristic technology, and insane performance. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today we are taking you on a journey to explore what a Suzuki Swift Supercar could look like and whether Suzuki should actually make it a reality. Let's break it down: design, interior, performance, and the big question: should Suzuki build this concept? Futuristic exterior design, a supercar-inspired Swift. The moment you lay your eyes on this car, you'll realize it's nothing like the Swift we know today. Suzuki has reimagined it with a supercar stance, not just for aesthetics but also for aerodynamics and high-speed stability. Looking at the rear design, you get a sleek LED taillight bar that stretches across the width, a massive rear diffuser, and the most striking feature: quad exhaust tips. Quad exhaust tips suggest that if Suzuki ever built this, it would house a high-performance petrol engine or a hybrid system, delivering an aggressive exhaust note and exhilarating power. Moving to the front profile, the car gets ultra-sharp LED headlights, a large honeycomb grille, and massive air intakes for better cooling and aerodynamics. The overall design screams hypercar DNA. From the side profile, the transformation is even more evident. The sculpted aerodynamic body lines, large ultra-lightweight alloy wheels, and low-slung chassis give it a true performance car look. But the biggest surprise? Scissor doors, or butterfly doors. This feature is usually reserved for brands like Lamborghini, McLaren, and Ferrari, but imagine a Swift with these doors. It would instantly become the world's first super hatchback. Now, let's step inside this beast and check out its high-tech cockpit. Next level interior, a driver-centric cockpit. The moment you step inside, you'll feel like you're sitting in a high-performance sports car. The interior is designed to be minimalistic yet futuristic, with a strong focus on the driver. The first thing you'll notice is a fully digital instrument cluster displaying real-time performance data, navigation, and AI-powered driving assistance. And here's the biggest surprise: a holographic heads-up display. Instead of looking down at a screen, all your essential driving information is projected directly onto the windshield in 3D. The steering wheel is also race-inspired, featuring a flat-bottom design with haptic feedback and illuminated touch-sensitive controls for a high-tech feel. At the center, you get a massive touchscreen infotainment system supporting AI voice commands, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Suzuki's exclusive holographic UI. One of the most futuristic features: gesture control system. No need to press buttons, just wave your hand to adjust the volume, air conditioning, or navigation. The seats are another highlight. You get full bucket racing seats wrapped in premium Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber trims, providing both comfort and a race car-like feel. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to set the mood with different colors. Performance: how fast could this Swift supercar be? The biggest question: if Suzuki ever builds this, how much power would it have? Here are three possible engine options. 1. Turbocharged petrol engine. 1.4L booster jet turbo engine, 250-300 HP, 0-100 km/h in just 5-6 seconds. 2. Hybrid powertrain. 1.6L turbo petrol engine paired with an electric motor, 350 plus HP all-wheel drive for better grip and acceleration. 3. Fully electric super Swift. Dual electric motors with all-wheel drive, 400 plus HP, and instant torque, 0-100 km/h in just 4 seconds, 500 plus km, range with fast charging support if Suzuki opts for a hybrid or full electric powertrain. This Swift could compete with the Tesla Model 3 or BMW i4 as a performance-oriented electric hatchback. Should Suzuki build this supercar Swift? Now comes the big question: should Suzuki actually turn this concept into reality? A high-performance Swift with aggressive styling, powerful engines, and cutting-edge technology could redefine the hot hatchback segment. If Suzuki decides to launch this, it could become the fastest, most futuristic hatchback ever built. But what do you think? Should Suzuki build this as a petrol, hybrid, or full EV? Tell us in the comments below. If you love this futuristic concept, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews Updates for more amazing car content. See you in the next video. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.